The product we're building provides solutions to some very complex problems. We're putting in extensive and deep research to solve these problems with comparatively better accuracy in lesser cost and time.
I worked on the problem of customer segmentation, which is actually one of the topmost problems in the field of market analytics. I implemented algorithms which obtained an accuracy score of 2.5 times more than the previously implemented algorithms.
I worked upon improving statistical learning-based approaches to market basket problem and used probabilistic learning approaches for the same. I also worked upon conjoint analysis and its specific relation to choice-based datasets.
We studied the noise sensitivity of different machine learning algorithms involving decision trees, and now we have successfully developed certain methods that are capable of identifying the most relevant and even the hidden patterns in the data that actually matter.
I worked on building a scalable recommendation engine for retail and e-commerce. It involved solving multi-domain conflict and addressing the cold start problems through various algorithms.
I worked on missing value treatment module, regression, clustering techniques, and convolutional neural networks.
I worked on designing a sophisticated system which could predict in real time possible upsell and cross-sell recommendations for a targeted user during the transaction. But the system we have designed here can learn from data and provide more superior and accurate results.
Since the problem we are solving is quite complex, it was challenging to make the user experience flawless for users of different proficiencies.
Dataset characterization plays a vital role in mapping machine learning algorithms. Statistical inference tests like McNamara, Friedman, chi-square tests were designed to characterize a dataset.
You see how algorithms work, you understand where they come from, how they are originated, what thought process has gone behind the working of those algorithms, how people have innovated right from scratch, right from the first algorithm that was made till the algorithm that is one of the most advanced algorithms. That is pretty interesting, and you can't get into a depth of something until and unless you've really seen the maths behind it.
We are surrounded by great features and technologies all around us, but it's the experience that makes the product stand out.
Extensive research and deep discussions about the possible solutions were actually the most fun part.
The techniques which currently exist largely rely on heuristics and intuitive reasoning of salespersons. Most of these techniques fall into either hit or miss techniques.
The volume of work is high and it's also challenging. Moreover, sometimes it takes a long hour of research and innovation to achieve the required result. But there is no other way out. The algorithm that we are designing, as well as refining the current techniques, has to be efficient. In short, there is no scope for the shortcuts here.
Our main user at this phase of the product is the data scientist, and to understand the working of a data scientist, I myself had to become one.
Innovation is at the core of the work being done here, but sometimes it gets scary because you have to do what has never been done before. And that's what you take away from this place: how to do the nearly impossible.